This video is going to show you how to type in exponents as well as multiply or divide with exponents on a calculator. So you have two different ways to type in a number with an exponent. For example, you can do 6 times 10 to the, so you can hit the caret button here. And then you would put your exponent here. So for example, let's say negative 34. That's how you type out an exponent. Also, you notice that there is a capital E here. This also means exponent. So if I wanted to do that, if I wanted to not do all this stuff up here, I could do 6.626 for my number, my coefficient, hit the second button, and then this comma with a double E. You have to find the double E like this. This means exponent, so you're gonna see that. And then you can type in whatever exponent you need, and then it's the same number. So to multiply by exponents. So I can do it two different ways. And the reason why I'm showing you these is because it's related to waves equations. So we're going to use h for Planck's constant, the 6.626 times 10 to the negative 34, and the speed of light, which is 3.00 times 10 to the 8. Let's say that I have a problem and my wavelength is a specific number that I'm going to look up really fast, and then I will let you know what it is when I do the actual calculation itself. So give me 1 second. Okay, good. So let's say that I'm doing a problem, and the problem says, what is the energy of a light wavelength that is 7 times 10 to the negative 7 meters, for example. So how would I type that out? So you can do it two different ways. If you use the initial method with the caret, meaning this triangle thing up here, so 6.626 times 10 to the negative 34 times the speed of light, 3.00 times 10 to the 8th divided by, notice how I'm grouping this in parentheses, divided by 7.0 times 10 to the negative 7. This is the answer I would get, 2.8 whatever times 10 to the negative 19. Make sure you include these in your answer, because that's, if you don't, you're missing the whole chunk of the answer. So now, let's say I do not include parentheses. Let me just get rid of these. So I'm going to delete this, and then delete that. Notice now, the coefficient is still the same, it matches, but now your exponent is different. This is, the calculator is reading it as this times this, divided by 7, and then the whole thing is going to be multiplied by times 10 to the negative 7. So if you're multiplying with fractions in mind, with exponents, I'm sorry, or dividing with exponents, make sure you group correctly with parentheses, or if you don't want to do that, you have to do the other method correctly. So I'm going to type the same numbers, but then I'm going to use the second comma method to get my exponent. Negative 7. So notice how I did not use parentheses, but if I use the exponent button, it automatically takes care of it for me, for us, for the calculator. So again, up to you, but make sure you guys know how to use your calculator correctly and efficiently so you can do your calculations correctly. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.